2023, officers were dispatched to a disturbance in a neighborhood involving a female driver exhibiting signs of impairment. Witnesses reported that the driver had struck multiple trash cans and mailboxes with her vehicle.
As an officer.
No, that's why I'm asking you.
Well, I'm a firefighter myself. So
You're a what?
I'm a firefighter myself. So
Where are you a firefighter at?
KFR.
Where?
KFR.
KFR firefighter, huh?
Humanity.
Is it oftentimes that when you go on calls and you ask for do that route, or do you want to just act like the adult that you are and just tell me what happened and we can figure this out a lot quicker?
Right. You
Right.
see your conclusion quicker.
I don't have a conclusion because I don't know what happened. I don't even have a starting point.
Are you on any medication right now?
I take.
Have you been drinking today?
This whole thing over again, okay? What happened?
We want to be able to help you, okay?
Well, let's take this based off of someone else's word.
Okay.
Right.
Sure.
I'm sitting in the passenger seat.
Now you are, but during the incident
Now I
you weren't.
am,
Right.
but though you have no merit to say I wasn't.
I don't understand this whole dog and pony show that you're playing here. I'm simply asking you what happened. If you weren't driving, say I wasn't driving, he was driving, this is what happened.
I wasn't driving.
Perfect.
He was.
Okay,
I
and
walked
what
my
happened?
dog down this road
Okay,
so that she can get some air.
Okay.
'Cause she was in the car.
perfect.
I came back, put her in the car, and then asked him where his car is. You
Yes.
ask him.
Where's your car at?
Mine?
Yeah.
Can we talk to me and you before
Oh,
you talk
okay.
to him?
You told me to
I
ask him.
think that, no, I didn't. I said if you want to know where his car is,
Ask him. And that's what I did.
I didn't say it right now,
I don't work for you. I do what I want when I want, actually.
and I don't like that personality. Can I
That's
get
okay.
another deputy, please?
We're not
I don't
deputies.
want to talk to you. I want to talk to
If you don't know what a witness statement is, I can't help you there because it is what it is, right? A witness statement. Okay? They're saying that you were driving this car, and based on the way you're acting...
Say, you know what I could say is that you last night were driving drunk under your patrol car and hit somebody and then ran.
Get out.
Oh.
Relax. Relax.
Come on.
Relax.
Put both hands behind.
Like, go to the door.
Let go.
Stop resisting. It's just going to be easier this way, please. Not
I
trying to be
have
rude
not
about it.
been. No. No, 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 no.
Relax. Don't do it.
We're looking at info-wise because of her behavior and that she's a danger to herself or others at this time. I don't want to see you get hurt having her do something silly or anything along those lines. And right now her decision-making is in question, okay? So, what's your last...
I could take her directly into the house right here.
Okay, that's... No.
The lieutenant arrived and was briefed on the situation.
So what we have is she is under the influence of new medication. She's diagnosed with depression, and the new medication that she took today, I talked to her, got pretty close to her. I smell no alcohol. This is the driving under the influence route. I don't know if her medication is still going up or if it's leveling out. So I think she's going to be a danger to herself and others at this point. That's what I'm looking at. But the what?
What med is it? What's the med?
For depression.
What is it though?
Oh, I don't know. We didn't get to that.
She
part
hasn't
yet.
been willing to talk to us much at all.
Fortunately, the lieutenant was present to make that crucial call.
Do you want to talk to me now? Okay, Davey, I just need you to listen to this, and then we can talk, okay? You have... Listen. Listen. Is it mine? Do you wish to talk to us now? Okay, so talk to me about what's going on. What do you mean you don't know? Then we can just get it done? No?
I don't know how much alcohol I have in my system.
Okay.
No, I'm not boy because
Okay.
I can have nothing.
And that's your choice, right? But if you don't do the breath test, we're going to do what's called a blood warrant.
And then that one right there.
This has been on since Mother's Day
Okay.
3 years ago.
Yeah.
I really don't want to take it off.
Well, I'm sorry, ma'am, but we need you to take it off, please, and put it in the bag, okay?
Why?
Because you're in jail right now for driving under the influence. You've made some bad decisions today.
Drive. Who said you didn't see me drive?
It needs to come off. You're not making great decisions right now, okay?
And we'll give it back to you as soon as we can. We'll get it right back on for
I'm
you, Daisy.
crying right now
I
because
can see.
I have
Okay.
never been in jail.
Okay.
This was for my daughter's
Okay.
6 month
You are. And we would
Go find the
Daisy,
supervisor. You were liable for a lawsuit.
Okay, that's why we'd like you to do that and take it off.
I don't want to.
and we don't want to have to take it off of you, but we're
Then
going
go
to.
find the
No.
supervisor. This fucking bracelet is staying on my ankle. It has not been taken off for suit.
Okay,
And my
I
dad
heard
is
you.
very, very
I heard you.
official about
That's
that.
fantastic. Take that off, please.
If you touch my anklet,
Mm-hmm.
you will get sued.
Okay, thank you.
Because I need to see your supervisor and yours.
Let's take that
And all
off,
I'm
please.
saying is do not take,
Yeah, I heard you.
do not take.
Okay.
That-
Constitutional rights, and
I
know how
do
to
not
not
believe the
exercise
words
these
you
rights at
say,
this time.
even
And
though I
this
do to
meeting
an
is
extent.
voluntarily
You talk
without
over
threats
me,
or
and I
promises
would
of
really
any
like
kind.
to see what it says on the paper before I sign.
I will go
And
ahead.
that is my constitutional right. Your constitutional rights to read the
Of your breath taken independently to determine alcohol concentration.
I'm
It's
not
90 days
stupid,
if
I
you are
work in the department.
age.
You know what, let's do recognizer.
Okay.
Let's do it.
This is the first
Driving
step.
under the influence.
The woman underwent a breathalyzer test.
What was the VAC?
0.09.
So it's over 0.08.
Turn around.
I'll get the top on the top.
Give me this hand. Take this hand.
Take your breath. Take your breath.
Step forward. Lift your right leg up.
Relax. Don't
No, I'm gonna,
Hey. Stop.
no, because I was the one driving.
Oh. Okay. Put your foot up. I don't. These need to be double locked.
This hurts.
Then stop.
This hurts my wrist,
Double lock it.
dude. God damn it. I wasn't even the one driving.
Cool. You can tell the judge in a couple days.
I don't want that on me. No, no. I don't want
Stop.
that on me.
Don't.
You have to have a
Pull my
seatbelt on.
hair.
Then relax.
I don't
Don't
want
pick
one
me.
on me. Oh, you're getting sued
guys
now.
okay? Push
You
her.
just punched me, girl.
You just
You're
kicked me,
getting
homie.
sued now. No, I didn't. I
Yes, you
kicked the
just
door.
did. Don't.
Stop. Stop. Back
I
up.
like that bruise.
Then don't kick her.
Like that bruise.
Then do not kick her again. You understand?
You want to get sued?
I'll do it again if you kick her.
You want to get sued?
Then don't kick her.
You want to get sued?
Kyle, back up. I got it.
That's really tough.